Dear students, today I have come to you to say something about the poem entitled Song of Myself, written by Walt Whitman, a noted poet of American literature who stands at great height and wants to describe the real picture of goodness and betterment of life. The poet wants to say that he is a man of individualistic idea. He believes in himself and wants to say that really the world will be good in future if all the people of the world may follow his rules and regulation and the doctrine and faith which he follows all the time. The poet Walt Whitman, a prolific writer of English literature of American, wants to describe the real picture of life and wants to say that really all should be men of individualistic idea. If you don't believe in such idea, what the poet wants to say, what the poet believes in, certainly you will go back, you will go fall and you will get nothing in the world. If you want to get success in your life, certainly you should believe in his own doctrine or theory. The individualistic idea must be followed by each and every man of the world only because it is the theory that can make your life sublime, great and successful. The poet says that all should follow what he follows, all should say what he says, only because in his idea there is no quarrel, there is no struggle, there is no conflict. Each and every man will get success in his life if he follows what the poet wants to say, what the poet wants to follow. The poet says that each and every man should believe in himself. If he does not do so, certainly he will go failure in his life. So, in order to get success, in order to get all things of the world, in order to get the mission of the world, all should follow what the poet says. The poet lays a special emphasis to get the personal attainment of life. If he wants to get success, certainly he should be a man of laborious idea, he should be a man of labor, he should be a man of perfect thing that will give him all things what he desires in his life. The poet Walt Whitman wants to say that really he should sing himself, he should do all kinds of work himself, only then he will get success. If he is dependent on others, certainly he will never get success in life. The poet says that you should celebrate himself, you should sing himself, you should live himself and you should not any kind of desire to go to others, only because there is a deception and there is a great clarity in his life. If you want to get success in your life, certainly you should believe in himself. Thus, belief in self is the motto of life. It is the best key to success. If you want to get all things of the world, certainly according to the poet, you should do what he said. The poet says that now he is 37 years old, even then he is in perfect health, only because he always moves with his one soul, that is the soul of his life. So, all should never go to others, only because there will be bring of different kinds of quarrelsome in his life.